Hey friends, and welcome back to She's Finding Grace. I am so excited to share this recipe with you today. It is perfect for fall. It is so good. Every year, my husband's family gets together and we just do this huge, awesome, fantastic bake-off where everyone submits their own recipe. And so this year, I'm gonna do an apple crisp. It's super simple, but it is crazy delicious. It is a staple in our household in the fall season. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. Come on. All right, well, first you begin by washing your apples. For this recipe, you'll need about 4 to 6. We used a combination of Johnny-Gold's and Granny Smith. Apple peelers are super handy to have around. And once you have all of those peeled, just go ahead and give them a quick slice. And then we begin our crumb topping. For that, you will use half a cup of flour, half a cup old-fashioned oats, half a cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/3 cup melted butter. And stir that all together. And then set it aside when you're done. Now on to the filling. You begin with melting 3 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of milk. Then add in your apples peeled and sliced and give it a quick stir. Next, add in your tablespoon of lemon juice, half teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a pinch of salt, and a dash of cloves, allspice, and nutmeg, just for good measure. Add 2 tablespoons of flour to help thicken the mixture. Continue to stir all the ingredients around, and it will look something like this. Now you're ready to put it in the pan. Once your baking pan has been buttered, you'll pour in your filling. I had some caramel bites on hand and decided to add those in as well. And top it with your topping. It is now ready to be baked. Put it in the oven at 375 for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. It will look something like this. Go ahead and give this recipe a try, and if you love it, then let me know, or let me know what you did differently. Let's go ahead and share our favorite recipes down in the comments below. It can be apple or pumpkin or cinnamon, whatever. Let's just spread the fall love. Okay, well, thank you so much for tuning in. As always, I really appreciate you, and if you like what you see, then give us a like and a subscribe. We would love to have you become a part of our community where we empower one another and we find grace in everyday life. All right, friends, take care. Bye-bye.